So we're gonna try to take these rotors off a 99 F250 Super Duty gas, and this thing's stuck on there pretty good. I just can't figure out if it's gonna come out right here. I cleaned this, it's not, so I'm thinking it's right here. Gotta figure out if I gotta take this off, but we're about to figure that out. Let me pause this real quick.